Hi guys, this is Isa from PrintStick, and today I will film my very first Plan With Me video showing you how I set up my new pastel color planner. I have the teal on purple version right here, and what's really cool about these planners is that this first page with the front cover of your planner can be edited. So you can, first of all, you have 11 color options for your cover, so you can choose from those. I'm gonna show them to you. When you open the GoodNotes version of this planner and you go all the way at the end, you will find the other colors. First you have the back cover of this same combination, then you have other colors front and back that you can choose and use in your planner instead of the cover that's included. Alright, but I'm happy with the teal cover, so I'm just gonna jump to that first page. And in case you didn't see my other video where I show how all the links work, you could click on this button and you'll jump right at this page. So everything that I'm gonna be using today is included in the download when you buy this bundle. So you have your planner, you have your pastel widget library, and you have your pastel sticker book number 2. So everything you see me using, don't worry, you will get it in your download as well. So first I will decorate this page using some of my widgets here. Let me go to the first page. I think the first thing I'm gonna use is a calendar for September. That's when I'm actually gonna officially move to this new planner. So use your lasso tool from up here, make a circle on the widget that you want, tap on that circle, click on copy. Now it's copied, and then when you go to your planner page, tap and hold, click paste, and you have your widget. Alright, so I think I'm gonna first bring all of the widgets that I want to use, and then I'm going to see how I will place them. Okay, so, and also I intend to change this main page every month, or you could even do it every week. This is really like another page in your planner, so, and I like it because it's like a clear desk where you can customize and add as many things as you want. And also when you go out here, you are going to be able to see like a mini preview of whatever you have there. So I'm gonna be coming back to this page a lot, and if you've seen any of the photos of my other planner, which I'm still using, the Elegant Planner, I use it mainly to keep lists and to-dos and all of the things I need to get done. I just keep it as an actual notebook where I write all of my things I need to do. So I'm hoping that I can use this page here in this planner in a similar way, so that I can keep, little lists of to-dos and things I need to get done, and when I'm done I can just, erase it and then update it. But every time I click on this button from any page of the planner, I'm gonna come back here. Alright, so I also, as I said, I need a ton of lists, so I think I'm gonna use this little pink notebook here. Paste. I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger. And actually I will keep some photos here, so it's a purple background. I think I'm gonna use this one, or maybe the orange option. I'm gonna show you how I use this. I'm gonna place it here, make it a little bit bigger because I want to place some photos here. So this has to be smaller. Alright, normally I would also just write my name here, like with my pencil, but let me see what kind of pen I have. Ball pen. I want the fountain pen, so you can, when you press harder, you can do a little bit of calligraphy. However, I really am not that good with calligraphy, so I don't think I'm gonna love the way this looks. I can just try do something like, and then this pencil in GoodNotes is like so accurate or something that is like really shaky, and I kind of don't like the way it looks. Don't freak out. Remember, we can always fix everything because this is digital. That's what's so amazing about this, this whole digital planning thing. So it looks pretty huge. I want to resize it to just make sure I don't have my images turned on, so it won't grab the planner cover. And then I just select it, resize. I know it looks pretty ugly, but bear with me, I'm pretty good at fixing things. We can also change the color, so maybe some white. And then I will go back to my pen and then just do some, oh my god, these GoodNotes, it's kind of hard. I'm getting better myself, like I'm practicing. But okay, so it's kind of shaky, but that looks like flour, so I'm happy with it. I think that I can keep it. And then I would really like to have my notebook tilted to the side. That's gonna take several steps to get that done. So the first one will be to tilt the notebook, and unfortunately it's weird. If you tap and hold and click on edit, it's, you know, it's so gigantic you can't even see it. So I can't even rotate because it's so gigantic that it's not working. And then if I make it small, when I tap outside it's gonna be gone. So click back as many times as you need to. Okay, and then the way you can work around this is make a circle on the planner. I'm sorry, turn your images on again. Okay, make another circle to select the planner, then resize, make it tiny, 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 tiny. Now tap and hold, edit, and you see how it grows, but it's not as huge. So now you are able to rotate it. And I just want like a little rotation. I just think it looks cute. So that's it. Tap outside, and then you have to bring it back to the size it was. So select again, resize, and I think I like this size. Alright, but now my name is not tilted like the planner is, so that's my mistake. What I should have done is rotate the planner first and then write my name in a tilted way. But as I said, I'm pretty good at fixing things, so just make this a tiny bit bigger so that my name is on top of this same teal background color, and I will show you in a little bit why. Okay, there. So now I will select again with my lasso tool around my name. Okay, and now click on take screenshot here. Alright, so now you have a screenshot of your name. Tap on this little export icon, click on copy. Alright, bear with me. Now I really don't want to lose this just in case I mess up, so I'm just gonna move the name aside for now. I want to keep it just in case. I mean, it's not that pretty, but it took my effort, so I'm gonna keep it. Now tap and hold, click paste because you copied this image, and now this is an image. So now you can turn and tilt your name so that it fits the angle of your book, right? Don't worry, you still have all this background and stuff, that's okay. So the way we're gonna fix that, tap again, click on crop. Down here where it says rectangle or freehand, you want freehand selected, and then go around the name, making sure that you only select this one color of teal, one tone, not the other, so that you won't be able to tell where the sticker that we just made ends. Click on done. There you go. And then you can just place this. You know, it's not perfect, which actually this looks pretty cool in my opinion. I like it actually. So this is another effect you could do. Maybe we can do the 2018 title using this technique. We'll see about that. But for now, just place it back here. Ta-da! And then it's rotated. And now it's an image that when I tap and hold and click on edit, I can rotate. Alright? So that's a little trick that I have for you guys. Alright, now that I'm happy with how this is tilted to the side a little bit, I'm gonna select the whole thing. Oops, I have to turn my images again on. Select this and then resize and make it a better size. Now I do want to do that other technique that we just discovered by accident just now. So that's how I'm gonna do my 2018. So the way I will do that, just copy this planner. Then you need to find an empty page on your planner, which I'm not sure if I have. Alright. This one is not empty, but it has half of it empty, so I'm just gonna paste my planner. Whoops, I copied the wrong image. Let me actually just hit back here. Yeah, alright, so copy the whole thing. No, I actually just want the planner, right? Yeah, copy. And then go to my last page with this bottom button here. Tap and hold, click paste. Now I want to bring it back to being not rotated. So I make it smaller, go back, and then make it big again. There we go. Alright, this is confusing maybe, but you'll see in a second what I'm doing. So now I just want to write 2018 on this color, so this area of the planner, that's the color I want. So just write 2018. Here, this one is like a little bit too high. How I love this, you can always move everything, you can fix everything, you never make mistakes anymore. Imagine how many pages I would have wasted if I was doing this on paper. There we go. Alright, so now I have this as I like it, so I'm going to do the same thing that I did before. I will select the whole thing and click on take screenshot. This arrow, click on copy. Now I have what I need. I'm just gonna leave this here as a safety net in case I mess up. So go back to your first page, tap and hold, paste, and then you have your 2018 image that you can also rotate to match your planner, but I don't like this square background, so I'm just gonna tap and click on crop. And then with my freehand selection selected, I will just go around the numbers, freehand mode. There we go, click done. And then you have this effect. I didn't mean to deselect. I want to just make sure, you know, you can choose where to put it and how big. I think I actually like this. And actually you could use this as in just, you know, out here as if it's a sticker or a widget. Why not? So I think I like it on my planner right now, but just so you know, this is another option that you have. Alright, so my beautiful name here, I will bring it back to the other page. I will cut it and paste it here. Actually, you know what? We need an empty space to work, like an empty desk. So I'm just gonna click on my 4 squares on the top left corner and then edit. Tap on this page. Down here says copy, click there. Then it's copied, hit done. Now go to this plus sign on the top left here. And paste copy pages. There we go. So now I have another I have 2 of these desks, so I'm gonna keep this as it was, the way it was. So just delete this, and you have this other page that actually I'm gonna place in here. Alright, and then here I'm just gonna keep my stuff that I'm working with. So this little planner, I can make it smaller just to keep it, you know, for future reference or whatever. I have my numbers and I have the planner. Actually, these are separate, so like that. And then this one, I can delete it because I have it saved here anyway. And then I want to paste my name. Whoops. So here I can save all the elements that I think I might want to use. I hope I'm not going too fast and this is not too confusing. But let's go back to my first page. And actually I want some other widgets. I want to see the banners, and these flowers, I just like them so much. They're super cute, so I'm going to use one of those. Maybe here, maybe I can even make this a little bit smaller. Alright, I want my top priorities. I actually think I'm gonna remove this for now because I have this like note here. I want to make my calendar a little bit bigger. There we go. I do want to keep my priorities somewhere. I don't know, maybe I don't need this either. I can just make it prettier without reminding me of all my things I need to do. But then the whole point of the planner is to be reminded of what you need to do. Yeah, okay, so these banners are like my favorite. I also like this paper a lot, but I don't think we have that much room left, do we? So let's see, I can choose this one. place it somewhere. Yeah, you know what? I'm sorry. I'm just gonna get rid of this one for now. I actually want my planner a little bigger again. This can be smaller. Okay. And then maybe this could be bigger, like that is fine. This one can be a little bit smaller. And this one can be smaller as well. Something like that. I think the quote could be here. And I still want another banner maybe, so let's do this yellow one. I don't know what, if I'm not clicking right or something, it's not pasting on my first attempt. There we go. Oh, I forgot one thing. I am so in love with this Apple Pencil widget right here. So I want to see if I can include it, and I'm not sure because we have a lot of stuff. But let's see, let's make it around the size of the planner. Make it a little bit smaller. I don't know, I don't think I can use it right now. Alright, so just so you know, here I would enter some photos, and the way you would do that is tap and hold on the screen, click on image, whatever you have your photo saved. I would go to my photos, and then I have my old photos. I have a bunch of different things, but for example, I have this one of my baby, of course, all photos of my baby. Then go to rectangle, or however you want. You can also freehand crop the images, but I want to keep this like rectangle, so I would just make it smaller, and then I would add the other another photo here, you know, fill it with photos. And one little thing I like to do is I create a little frame around the photo. So select your pen, the size that you want. I think I'm gonna do something like this. That's actually a little big, so a little smaller. And then make sure that you have this icon selected so that the shapes are perfect. And then you can just go around your photo. It's all shaky and messy, but GoodNotes will help me out. So, and then you can change the color of that frame. If you didn't like it, you can pick a bolder color, like, let's see, no, this doesn't look bad, or a dark purple, or a gray. Oh, I like gray, maybe that's fine. So yeah guys, that's how I will set up my desk. Remember, at any time you can just switch these out. I'm planning to change them every week or every month and update with you know, the right widget for the month. And for any other things that are going on in my life, I can also switch out the photos. And as I said, this is gonna be the cover that you can see in small here. So yeah, I think that's pretty cool. I hope that you got to see some tips and some tricks on how to use GoodNotes in your digital planner. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it to let me know. Don't forget to subscribe, as I keep uploading different videos showing you how to better use your planner and giving you some tips on your iPad. And if you have any questions at all, just leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as quick as I can. Thank you so much for watching guys, and see you next time. Bye bye.